Let's now go to the evaluation part. And dear students, as I always remind you, when you see the questions, pause the video, answer the question yourself, and then after that, play the video again to check your answer. The first type of question in the evaluation part, the question is asking me to factorize each of the following perfectly. Let's now go to the first one. We're going to group this, and we're going to group this. So the common factor here is x, and then it's a plus b, plus the common factor here is y, and then it's a plus b. To factorize this well, the a plus b is the common bracket, and then the singles are x plus y. By the same way, we're going to answer question 2. If you group the first two together, the common factor is b, and what's left inside the bracket is a minus d. And then the second group, the common factor is h, and then what's left is a minus d. The common bracket here is a minus d, and then we multiply by the singles, the b plus h. Question 3, we group also this to do the factorization. So the first bracket will have x as a common factor, and what's left is a plus y, where the second bracket, y plus a is the same as a plus y, and now there is no HCF, so the HCF is 1. So a plus y is the common bracket, and the singles are x plus 1. Last question in the first idea in the evaluation, question 4. When we group these together with a common factor of a. So what's left inside the bracket is m minus n, and here it is m minus n as it is. So if there is no HCF, the HCF is considered as 1. The common bracket, we write it once, and then the singles, we write it in the other bracket as a plus 1. Let's go to the second type of question, which is also factorize each of the following perfectly. Question 1, we're going to put the 6xy inside here to form a perfect square. So 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared, and then the minus 4a squared will be here to form an own perfect square. These three terms are forming a perfect square as 3x plus y all squared minus, and the 4a squared is 2a all squared. To factorize this, here are the two brackets. Between them, one is minus and the other is plus, or plus and then minus. The order does not matter. And then the first term, 3x plus y, and the second term is 2a. Here the first term is 3x plus y, and the second term is 2a. Question 2. The three terms here are forming a perfect square as 5x minus 1 all squared, and then we have the y squared. To factorize this, here are the two brackets. Between the first and second term, between the first and second term, in one bracket it's a plus, in the other it's a minus, and then it's 5x minus 1 plus the y, and 5x minus 1 minus the y. Question 3. If we have a power 3 minus 9a plus a squared minus 9, if we group the first two terms together, we can take a as a common factor, and what's left inside the bracket will be a squared minus 9, where in the other one it's a squared minus 9. So this means that the HCF is 1. After that, we write the common bracket once, and then times the other bracket, which is the a plus 1. Yes, a squared minus 9 can be factored as a plus 3 and a minus 3, and here is the a plus 1 as it is. For question 4, if we group these two terms together and the other two terms together, you will see that for the first two terms, the highest common factor is x, So it's x minus 2z. And then the other two terms, the common factor is minus 2y. What's left inside is x minus 2z. The common bracket is x minus 2z. We write it only once. And then we collect the singles x minus 2y as another bracket. By solving the evaluation part, we reached the end of our session. Thank you very much, dear students, and wishing you best of luck.